how do you typically promote the customer promotions you're running? So for example, your 11th wash free or something along those lines. How do you promote that to help bring in business?
Well, I got to tell you my seasonal promotions real quick.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, didn't mean to
Because
skip over.
I have something that's called a March Madness. And March Madness, since we're
Oh,
UK basketball and we love basketball here in Kentucky,
yeah.
half off triple loaders because you can shoot a three. And if Kentucky wins the national championship, it's free laundry day for everyone.
Oh,
So and then I have everybody gets $10 during Christmas on if they're registered their LaundryWorks card, they will get $10 on their card during Christmas. Period. So that's a gift from us to our customer. So as long as they're registered, we can do a lot of nice promotions like that. But back to your question, what were you asking? Oh, how do I promote the 11th wash? A lot of that's by word of mouth. Because I did it at first on Facebook, and I did on the Splash Mouth Facebook page. I did it on YouTube, TikTok, Insta, and so I do a lot on social media, a whole lot. And if you're utilizing social media every single day, you'll see customers get on there, and then and when they get on there and they engage, they'll tell everybody around them, say, hey, if you do 10 washes, the 11th one is free. And also they have a big washer in there that's half off, that's being sponsored by someone else. So that brings people in. A lot of it is word of mouth, because and then they know they're going to step into a nice clean environment when they come to our laundromat. So that really helps us along the way. So I don't really have to adjust too much on pricing. I do like to do a lot of promotions because we like to give back for the most part, and that's what it's really all about, because we give senior discounts, fire discounts, police, military, student, whatever we can do. But as far as tracking or pushing and promoting the 11th wash is free, I believe most of that's done by word of mouth, because I've been on my Facebook page and I'll notice, hey, go to Splash Mouth, they're giving away the 11th wash for free.
Well, one, I love the March Madness. That is very clever.
They win, it's free laundry.
Very clever and unique.
Bring a ninth title to Lexington, and it's a free laundry day for all.
And I guess the other nice point you made is a lot of these customer promotions. I mean, sure, they're about bringing more business, to your laundromat, but also about giving back to the community, which is kind of a nice win-win.
It is, because especially when you see someone. Look, nobody likes to do laundry. Laundry sucks. I'm going to tell you something. To get you in there to do laundry, and then you need a promotion. You need something. It's just, even though the place is clean or whatever, and you'll see the kids playing or jumping in the carts, even though there's a kids play area, who cares? But if you can help them out a little bit, people, every time I walk in, I'll push my card on everybody who's getting ready to put. That's a free promotion. They're free promotions when they see me coming, because I'm giving free washes all the time.
You need a Santa hat on when you walk in.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. We should have a Santa Claus at every laundromat, and just sitting there and taking pictures with the kids. I've always tried to do that. Been doing this for 20 years. I still haven't done it. So.
Well, you got
another promotion.
Less than a month to plan that.
Yeah, there's only so many hours in a day.
Yes. So same question, Sharon. How do you typically promote your customer promotions?
Facebook, Google, and then in-store flyers. That's pretty much it. And then let word of mouth kind of take it from there.
Yeah,